Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. It's Rose Mashinani, and today I just felt like I needed to make a cake. People from home, they're just asking for a cake. I've been postponing this day, but today they've said you must make a cake. So today I'll just be making a very simple home-baked cake, and I'll be using this machine. It's a Ramtom product. Yeah, it's a Ramtom product, but I don't know the name of this machine. All I know is called a mixer. I call it a mixer, but I don't know if that is the correct name. Tell me if that is the correct name. And then I'll be using sugar. I'll be using some sugar, and then chapa mandazi, baking powder, and then some vanilla essence, and then 3 eggs, some oil, and baking flour from Ajab. Most of the times I usually use the self-raising flour, but today I just wanted to use what I have at home. So yeah, let's watch. Let's see how the cake will turn out to be. I'm crossing my fingers. I'm still trying to see if I can become a pastry chef. I love doing pastry. So yeah, let's see how the cake will turn out to be. Welcome again. So I'm sieving some flour that we will use to bake, and then here we have sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar. I don't want it to be so sugary. And then this is oil. I've used 1 cup of oil, and then half a quarter cup of sugar. Yeah, so let me sieve some more flour so that by the time we start, everything will be ready. Yeah. So we are going to use 1.5 cup of flour. So let's sieve enough in case it doesn't mix well. We'll have some extra flour to use. So our flour is ready. We are going to put it aside. Now what we are going to do, we are going to mix the flour and the sugar together first. This is the progress. I believe the progress is very good. It's smelling very nice. I've incorporated eggs and some vanilla essence. cooking oil and some sugar. So this is how your mix should look like. Now the only thing that is remaining is only baking powder and flour, and then we will see how the end product will be. So this is our final product. This is what we'll go to the oven. So I'm crossing my fingers. Every time everything turns out to be delicious. This is my baking tin. So I usually oil it before I put my final product. So make sure it's oiled well. At times I put some flour, but I don't know if it's good or not. So we are still learning and trying every time. So use some flour, a bit of flour. So wish me luck. So now we're going to preheat it for 10 minutes. I'm going to use 180 degrees. And then after 10 minutes, now we put our cake in the oven. Thank you for watching. Continue subscribing to my channel. Continue supporting the work that I'm doing. No, let's wait. Here we have our final product. Yeah, that is how you bake a simple cake. It is so easy to make. So go ahead and try and let me know. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching my contents. Continue supporting the work that I'm doing, and see you. Bye bye.